So guys, we have a new package here. So this one just arrived today from Africa. So I will have to unbox it. Let's see what we have inside here, guys. This one are crayfish when I order for Africa. So it just they come. So let's open it together, guys. Join me, let's open it together. Let's see how it goes. And this is the remaining crayfish I have before, the remaining one. I'm going to be removing it from here, guys. This one are my old pot. Yeah, I just done the crayfish inside. So this one are the one when I have for house before, the remaining one. So the last one I bought, you put this pot and we still have soap left. I keep some left for one side. So let's see if they are. This is the first one. We are going to unbox it. Because the last one bad, now the same majority. Now the same thing too bad, kaba too bad. So I thought they to bring two back for me also. So let's see if they are the same, because this one full, I can't keep for another plate. So I want to see it. Wow, it's beautiful. Wow, many. Nourish, because that first one, press it too. Let's see. The left one sweet. Let's see the crayfish dry. This is the second one. Wow, you're the scents. The scents. This one are the third one. Let's see. This one are the third. Yes. I'm coming. The third. Oh no, now the first one many pass. And the fourth. No, that the first one many pass.
Oh, Mama. It's Amanda. It's Amanda.
Yeah. So guys, this is a crayfish.
The fish.
Crayfish we have. Wait, crayfish, we don't stock for the crayfish for us, guys. See the one we made before for us. Almost see the way it dry. This one. Once again, I don't test Nigeria slave. Nigeria slave.
Wow.
Don't break them. They dry. So now slave. Need to test it again. This one is small dry fish. No bite it many, na just one. The dry fish you don't dey. Dry fish you don't dey change color. Hi, this one will let person use again. It don't turn white. So no open and down. I will just go wash and dry now. My dry fish don't change color. This crayfish. We have some today. This dry fish, I will have to go and wash it.